Welcome to Demo Day, where young innovators take the stage and showcase real-world projects to a global audience. At WEquil School, students learn to become innovators, teaching each other each week through their creations. WEquil App has thousands of novel and useful projects born out of our students' strengths, interests, and passions. But Demo Day is more than just a presentation. It's a celebration of innovation, collaboration, and the power of young minds. Join us on this incredible journey of inspiration as we witness the next generation of problem solvers and leaders. From Harvard professors to industry experts, our demo days attract incredible guest speakers who share their knowledge and ignite curiosity. Whether you're a young innovator looking to showcase your creations or a family seeking an extraordinary learning experience, Demo Day is here for you. Together, let's create a world where young minds flourish, ideas come to life, and innovation knows no boundaries. Join us for an unforgettable journey of learning, growth, and discovery. Welcome to Demo Day.
So what I'm going to be sharing is my progress on my FlutterKids course. So I'm creating a course on the FlutterKids room called Flutter Basics. And so here, let me just pull it up. Okay, so the learning objectives are creating your first Flutter app, learn basic concepts in Flutter, learn how to debug Flutter apps, learn what state is in Flutter, and discover what widgets are. So, so far I have created create your first Flutter app. This only has one lesson, which is creating your first Flutter app. And here I have my video and FlutterKids, where I talk about how to create your first Flutter project and run it. And so in the About This lesson, I say this is how to create your first Flutter project. And so for submitting projects, all you have to do is submit a Flutter app that you have created. And so the next one is learn basic concepts in Flutter. So the video I use for this one is Flutter fundamentals. So also one thing for the app, I wasn't able to link to a certain time in a video, so I had to put in the timestamp for each About This lesson. And so the first thing, so here I talk about the material package, .dart files, the material app widget, and the main function. I think there's one more thing that I need to add here, but like I said, this is just my progress. So keep on the lookout for more Flutter lessons for the FlutterKids Flutter Basics course. And if you are interested in programming, I would definitely recommend learning Flutter because it is great for all kinds of skill levels. Thank you for listening to my presentation.
Excellent. Yeah.
Quick question, how do we find your course?
It's in the FlutterKids room.
Sign up.
Join the FlutterKids room, and it's completely free. It's a self-directed course, so you can just go through it on your own terms.
Mm-hmm.
Does anyone have any questions, comments, feedback, sandwiches, or suggestions?
I don't think so. I mean, I haven't. I know that you're still in progress. So once I see the completed version, I think I can give more suggestions. But looks great so far. I was wondering, are all those 4 lessons that you included linking to the same video? Is that what it was?
Yeah, they're all linking to the same video. Those are all things I talk about in the Flutter fundamentals video. So I just wanted to let the team know that you can't link to a certain time in a video, because one video that you might want to link might talk about many things that you don't all want to mention in the same lesson.
All right. I was just thinking that it might, since the video is pretty short, it might make more sense if it was like a really, really long video. but you could maybe change the title to include those things.
Right.
Of the lesson.
Yeah, I wanna be able to have people like go through and feel like, oh, I learned this and I learned this and I learned this. And it might be a bit confusing
So
if
did
like
you know, did you know that when you copy links from YouTube, you can copy a specific link that actually,
yeah, I did. Here, I can actually show you.
but the app doesn't allow you to,
Nope, it doesn't allow you to do it. See, this is the time and
right?
I copied the link in the specific time, but it didn't see, it doesn't go.
Oh, interesting. Yeah, no, we should fix that. Good job.
Just to let you know. Um, but yeah, I think if no one has anything to comment on, then we can.
I have some questions. Is this for anybody who wants to learn Flutter?
Mommy, you can do it.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So
And after the class, what will I be able to do? Like, will
Well,
I be able to, what kind of app can I build? You know, is it a more like a simple app? Like, is there an example of an app that I can build after going through the class?
yeah, so I'm glad you asked that question because there are going to be multiple courses in the FlutterKids class. These are just lessons in one specific course. So here I have for the prerequisites, I need to have it so that you already have Flutter downloaded. I'm probably going to create a course for downloading Flutter and use videos that explain how to download Flutter, but I need to learn more about that before I can create a course on it. So here you learn how to create your first Flutter app, learn basic concepts in Flutter. This is basically explaining things in a Flutter app that you always create and you always see, but you might not exactly know what it means. So really understanding the code. And then how to debug Flutter apps, you need to know how to debug. And then Sume put up a video on the FlutterKids YouTube channel talking about that. And then I'll also link to her article. And then basically this is just teaching you all of like the basic concepts in Flutter. And then it's also giving a few examples on things to build, but mostly making sure you understand what everything is so that you can really start building. I think I'm going to probably make another course on making a simple Flutter app and linking to some of Sume's old videos because those are really great. I still use them to this day. But really it's just teaching you the basics of Flutter, helping you get started with all that. But it's not.
That'd be great. I think it'd be awesome because she was your age back then, so it's like kind of got like you're still doing like the WEquil family 11-year-old girl presentation style. It's like really solid.
Yep. Oh, Jatame, you requested to join Aila's Fun Club. Yay! I will accept. Now you are in Funland. Now you can spend time in Funland in Aila's Fun Club where we learn, live, and have fun.